How to change Walmart language to Spanish. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Login. Today on this tutorial video I will show you guys how you can change Walmart language to Spanish. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open your Walmart application if you have, or you can also go to the Walmart website. As you can see, I am already on the official website of Walmart. Once you search for it, your interface will be also somehow like this. Now in order to change the language, click on that 3-dash line on the upper left side. Now here you will see various features for Walmart, but there isn't any feature that will help you or allows you to change language to Spanish. Now what you can do to change the Walmart language to Spanish is by simply changing the language of your device. So in order to do that, come back to the home page and hop into the settings. Once you are on settings, now scroll down and click on general. Now again scroll down and click on language and region option. Now here you will see add language option below the English. Click on it and now search for the Spanish on the search bar. Once you found your language, click on it and now it will ask you to use that language as your primary language. So simply click on use Spanish and you are good to go. So that's all. In this way you can change the Walmart language to Spanish. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.